Hello, welcome to this one bedroom, one bath plus den unit. Okay, once you walk into the unit, there's a shoe rack. Okay, and then here's the den. Okay, you got your shelves, a desk. Okay, shelf, breaker box. Okay, looking into the unit. Okay, and then once you walk into the unit, to your left is a closet. Okay, and here's our kitchen. Okay, you got your dishwasher, double sink. Okay, and your gas stove, your fan, oven, microwave, and your fridge. Okay, looking nice. And here's the bathroom. Okay, you get your sink, lots of storage. Sink, you can open this one up. Okay, and then your tub. Okay, shower, toilet. Okay. And here's the you can put like a few stools along the island. Okay, looking in the unit, and here's actually the washer and dryer. Okay, full size, and the unit comes with air conditioning. It's quite nice. I use the Nest controller. Okay, and let's look at the balcony. Okay, it's looking into the center yard, the strata, and that building over there is actually the all the amenities. Okay, looking back the unit. Okay, really nice. And here's the bedroom. Okay, comes with the TV, and TV mounted, and this controller, and a walk-in closet. Okay, pretty nice. All the system, looking good. Yeah. Okay, what's that? Oh. Okay, here we go. Okay, actually I'm gonna stand in that corner. Take a look. Oh, there's a mirror behind the door. Okay, awesome. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.